Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can save your photos on Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, to save them, of course, you need to upload them to the app, and the way you do this is, of course, you get into the app and log into your account. You can either, if you're on PC, go to photos.google.com, or if you're on mobile devices, you just enter the app as you would usually, and here you can just locate the upload button, click on it, and select the files from your device which you want to upload. If you're on PC, you can also just drag them and drop them from a folder into this screen here, and they should upload to your account. And that is pretty much it. You can also download the photos from your system or from your account. You just either right click them on PC and just click download, or you can tap on them on mobile phones, click the three dots or the more options menu and just select download, and that should be it, and you should be able to save them to your device. But you can also transfer items from the Google Drive to Google Photos using your PC, and the requirements are that the photo must be larger than 256 pixels. These are the only supported file types, and if you use a Google account through work or school, you will need to download the photos and upload them manually to Google Photos, and that is pretty much it. Now, to use it, use Drive to transfer the photos and videos from there. You just go to photos.google.com, click on import from at the top and go into Google Drive, find and select your items, and then click upload, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.